Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And hi, my name is Muhammad Tajul Aris. My Maitri ID is RC1143. We are from Group 2 and our organisation is Ministry of Rural and Regional Development. So, role of Ministry Rural and Regional from Shalina Nazira to provide a complete and sophisticated infrastructure that can support the economic development in rural area. Second one is to provide quality infrastructure, utilities and social amenities to enhance comfort, well-being and drive economic development in rural area. So from Azrah Ali, responsible to provide subsidies or free health service to 50,000 to 20,000 rural population, improving the quality of healthcare in Malaysia. Second one is provide quality and comprehensive healthcare facility and universal access to quality healthcare for rural community. So from Tajul Afiq, infrastructure development is nothing more than a component that improve a society living standard in terms of economy. Infrastructure development can influence the rate of labour, efficiency and salary as well as provide added value. Infrastructure development can also help strengthen political cohesion and close socio-economic gaps in rural area. So, from Quratul Ain, help accelerate rural development and close the economic gap between urban and rural communities. The second one, to enhance the social and physical infrastructure as well as the rural health and education facility in order to improve the quality of life for rural people. So, from Amala Kartigayan, one of the predominant role of Ministry Rural and Regional Development is advancing the agriculture, aquaculture, biodiversity and sustainable environment in rural area with the help of technology trend. And lastly, from Miza Rushaidi, a plan to implement an inclusive rural development program to satisfy the requirement, aspiration and desire of populace is contained in rural development policy with the goal of prosperous rural. The second one is the policy formulation is based on three principles: sustainability, which emphasizes the quality and well-being of community life; inclusivity, which consider balanced development in all aspects of life; and holistic, which consider a variety of factors including social, economic, spiritual, physical, cultural and governance aspects. That's all.
Okay, next I will present about review and analyze current practice. Firstly, for Shalina Nazira, Ministry Rural and Regional Malaysia is making use of a policy that is known as Dasar Pembangunan Luar Bandar to implement the program of inclusive rural development in order to satisfy the requirements, demands and needs of the people at the moment. Next, Azra Halik, Malaysia's health system is comparable to developed countries. A Bloomberg survey in 2014 ranked Malaysia among the top 30 countries in the world with the most efficient healthcare systems. Next, for Tajul Afiq, which is Kementerian Pembangunan Luar Bandar or KPLB in short, is the name of the ministry in the Malaysian government responsible for province development, territorial expansion, community development, Bumiputra, Orang Asli, elastic industry smallholders, arrival combination and arrival restoration. Next, for Quratul Ain, the goal of all these organization, education and training initiatives is to advance rural people in some way. General education prepares students for rural life and for higher education. Vocational and technical education prepares students for occupation. Next, Amala Kartigayan, the Ministry of Rural and Regional Development has come up with the Rural Area Development Policy (DPLB) as the major agenda in the rural area development process in Malaysia by 2030. Lastly, from Miza Rushaidi, inequality between urban and rural area, low labour productivity, underemployment and high unemployment are all common problems in the village sector. Modernization and agricultural development based policies and strategies alone seem to have little effect on solving the issue facing the rural sector.
Hi, I'm Shalina. Next, I will proceed with description of problem. As of June 2022, we realized that Ministry Rural and Regional Malaysia did not update the latest data from 2021. This picture is a proof from the website.
Hi, my name is Kratul Aindamia. Today I will present about descriptions of solutions. For Shalina Nazira, AI and machine learning helps determine communication tower placement for fixed wireless technologies to make it easier for data collection in rural areas. For Azrai Khalid, the theory of quantum mechanics opens a door to new technologies. Quantum computers provide an advantage for the specific computational tasks, and quantum computing helps to store data about population in rural communities to provide a better internet connection. For Tajul Afiq, blockchain help to update data in real time. Almost everything of value may be tracked and transferred on a blockchain network. Consensus algorithms process with incredibly little energy. Blockchain technology has a lot of benefits, but there are still many areas where it falls short.
Hi, I'm Lee. Today I will present description of solutions. For Quratul Ain, she implied that the majority of 5G network deployment will occur in densely populated urban areas when the number of users is big enough to cover the network setup and maintenance expenses, contradict to rural and low-income areas are less desirable and appealing to operators since the populations there do not warrant the implementation of 5G network due to its extremely low densities. Amala Kartigayan, edge computing can be used to create smart village which can directly advance the telecommunications and data management system by collaborating with IoT-based devices. Mirza Rushaidi, AR technology enables frontline technicians to see instruction with augmented reality annotations, the capabilities that are independent of device being used. All frontline teams can now remotely communicate whenever and wherever they like. On the AR-based frontline staff platform, multiple jobs may be completed concurrently, streamlining the MRO process, improving productivities.
Greetings to everyone. Now I'm going to be explaining how the solutions work to solve the identified problem. First, let me start with AI. The growing network of 5G towers and transmitters can be strategically positioned to better serve the rural communities by using AI and sophisticated modeling to execute the evaluations. Next, edge computing can be used to create smart villages which can directly advance the telecommunication and data management system. This is because smart villages can support IoT-based devices and mission-critical communications. Moving on, a large amount of data can be sent across vast distance at speeds faster than the speed of the light by using quantum computing. Finally, AR and VR can help in the inspection of telecommunication equipment and help create awareness about the importance of IT in rural areas. So that's all from us. Thank you so much.